Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to go ahead and delete your emails in Gmail in bulk. So I'm right here and click on Gmail first. And once it loads up, first I'll show you the method of selecting different emails. So I can either come here, select emails that I don't need, and then click on delete, right? Can do that. Or what you can do is you can go ahead and filter them. Let's say you want everything that you had already read and you're going to delete those, you can come click on delete. Or maybe you only want things from specifically maybe Notion, right? We search that up, you can select all of them and then click on delete. You can bulk delete as well like that. Or if I want to delete everything, I can come here and select all, just click on delete. And then I can also go to my trash and empty the trash here as well. Okay. And it's really that easy and simple.